Hey guys, so we're out here at the Waller Ledges. We're gonna play a little game of skate with Garret. Garret versus Aaron.
Garret versus Aaron.
So we're just gonna lay down a few ground rules.
All right.
You ready?
I'm ready.
These are a little bit different than the barracks rules.
All right.
Rule 1, don't beat me.
Okay.
Rule 2, see rule 1.
All right.
Rule 3, no tricks that I can't do.
All right, I see.
Yeah, that's a good rule.
All right, perfect. Sounds
Yeah?
good.
Okay.
All right.
And then we do Rochambeau and you fire on the third one. I never throw paper. For some reason I was like, this is a paper day. Oh, I'm gonna start it out very easy, by the way, because I have to warm up. I think you have to warm up too. We're gonna do a 180. That 180 was good. Rule 4, don't do a good 180. Rule 5, don't miss your first kickflip. You got it. That was a good tray flip. Well, I'm basically out of tricks. Do you have one that I could do?
I'm not giving you ideas.
Oh man, he's trying to Yeah! I ran out of tricks, I literally did. We did 5 already. Limbed it. Wow, is that switch or regular? Thank you for not doing that switch. Wait, you have to just take a moment right now and look to your left. Wait. We didn't go back to rule 3. Rule 3 applies right there. That was tray double flip, back flip. I got that every try. I've actually never missed that in my entire life. You ready? Nollie hard flip? Yeah. Oh man. First try? Good thing you didn't land that, because that's not a trick. I'm gonna give this one more shot. One more shot. Whew, that was not good, but I'm gonna take it. You ready? Put your foot back further than you would normally put it.
All right.
And just go.
Just go?
Yeah, that
All
front
right.
foot extra.
Just go.
You got this.
Pull up my dress.
Pull up your dress. Okay, but you do have that. Have you ever done that before?
Not on flat.
Okay, you can do
Actually,
it.
maybe on flat once.
I got another tip for you on that, but that's for later. Regular?
Yeah.
The hardest trick in skateboarding. Second to regular heel flip. I landed upside down. That's impossible. That's not even a trick. Okay, Aaron Cairo, this is your last chance. Don't choke. That was better than good, dude. I'm just gonna give up. Should I give up now? Nollie. This is a good game.
Now it's stressful.
I literally do not know what to do right now. Yeah, I knew I shouldn't have done that. Oh, there goes his turn. I'm just kidding, go ahead. I got a good one. That was not it. Fakie 540 flip. Yeah. I was like, I was thinking, I hope he even gives me a chance to rebait. That was so bad. Yeah? That didn't touch. There was no toe touch. It's okay, it's okay. So we watched the replay on the ESPN instant replay system and the toe touched. Well, that's game. I never have, nor will I ever do that trick. Let's try one. Well, I got another try. That was a good game.
That was a good game.
Oh my God. That was down to the wire.
That was stressful.
That was amazing.
Very stressful.
But you're awesome.
Thank you. I have to do everything left-handed. I can't.
Oh yeah. It's all good. It's all good. So thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave that comment below.
Subscribe to me. Can I say that?
Subscribe
can I
to him.
Steal your video. Subscribe to me, guys. Follow me on Instagram.